Hello, I'm Laura Maddox, and I'm representing Team 4 Concepts Unlimited for Capstone A in the summer of 2016. Just to review our business model, Concepts Unlimited provides value for hotels and vendors by improving the performances of event space through the use of virtual reality. This week, we're going to look at how interviews we conducted with 3 gurus and 3 customers will help us determine if we should partner with a tech or another type of company. Our business canvas did not change dramatically or drastically from the previous week. We're making some slight adjustments to the canvas to focus in on how we're going to move forward with partnerships. Through our interviews with customers and gurus, we were able to see there were 2 viable options for partnering. We could either hire developers or partner with a VR tech company. Initially, we were trying to make the decision between exclusively partnering with a VR company or hire internal developers. Both have pros and cons. For example, a VR partnership, we could contract out the work as needed, but we would pay steep premium prices, which we would have to then pass on to our channel partners and our customers. To hire internal developers, we could potentially save on costs as we scale the business model correctly. We created a series of questions for our industry gurus and potential customers. These questions are to help determine what the best approach would be to partnership. Therefore, we determined to keep the questions focused on different aspects of partnership. We needed to understand the pros and cons of hiring developers versus partnering with a tech company. We also needed to have a better understanding of the initial cost of hiring developers and the equipment needed to develop the software that will help us determine the route we need to take. After conducting interviews this week, rather than view the partnership as either or perspective, we may decide to do both. VR is an up-and-coming technology and it's still rather new. Therefore, talent will be premium and expensive and rare. To hire internal developers at the outset, we risk having high-salaried employees with little to work on. This is where a partnership with a VR company would make sense. We're able to contract our initial sales and pay only what we need for when we need it. Our costs will be higher at the outset, and we'll need to weigh the consequences of higher charges or keep prices low to secure future business. As we secure more clients, we can then review the opportunity to hire internal developers to stay cost efficient. As the businesses continue to grow, we will scale our operations to maintain a healthy cost structure while providing a quick turnaround for our customers. With this information from our research, we'll need to develop a cost plan that takes into account a partnership with a VR company, and we'll also need to determine the scalability for the company, determine what point we will transition to hiring our own developers. We're now hitting a point where we will need to do a cost analysis to ensure that we will be a profitable corporation. Thank you very much.